gorgeous people. Well, today I'm going to go through my little routine of how I do my hair if I'm forced to do it on my own, which is not ideal for me, but as you can see, it's not too unacceptable. Again, as I'll repeat all the way through, I am not a hairdresser. It's just my own personal knowledge and what I get, technique that I use to get through and to achieve this result. So enjoy. Morning. Oh, been some time since I've done a video, but I'm going to do some hair today. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm just showing you what I do. Fortunately, I've got my own hair. Quite often in my pictures and videos you see me with hair extensions clipped in, but today just my own hair, and let's see how it turns out. First up, let's see, the Weller Mousse number 5 maximum hold does the trick. So I think it's safe to say that one's dead. So work it all over through the ends. I'll keep reiterating all the way through, I am not a hairdresser. It's just what I'm capable of doing. So when I come to use the roller styler at the later stage, that's going to help keep it in set in position. There we go. Right. Ta-da! It's going to go on for about 10 minutes, so at some point I'm just going to hit fast forward. I don't have my hairdryer on maximum heat. Don't want to torch my hair or my scalp, so it's just full blast but medium setting on the heat. Oh, and there's a little extra. I initially blow dry it with my head down, hair forward, so it gives a bit of a root lift. So I try my best to work from the ends up, right? You don't just go straight in at the top where it gets all tangled. So it's still wet, but it's dried off already a little bit. This is, like I said, just a rough dry. Now I'm going to sort of get a bit of a parting going and some of the hair in place. That's a very, very rough dry. It's still a bit damp around the edges by quite a bit, but I'm now going to put on some tanning products, do my makeup, and in between, because that'll take a while, in between my hair will dry off naturally quite a bit. I don't personally like drying my hair out completely from beginning to end on a hairdryer, as it torches my hair far too much. So let it dry a little bit, or at least that's what I do. Like I said, not a professional hairdresser. I just let it dry a little bit on its own and then finish it off with a hairdryer before going to the roller styler. Just so some of you know, I take a 1 milligram tablet of finasteride. Just Google it, finasteride. It stops your hair falling out, basically. Prescribed to a lot of people, especially trans people. But there's a private prescription, so don't go doing anything without advice, proper medical advice. But that's what I take, 1 milligram of finasteride per day. And like I said, fortunately, I've still got all my hair. Done. And slugging espresso number 5. Right, hair's still a bit damp, so quick go over with the hairdryer. Okay, so that's dries, I'm going to get that with the hairdryer. Now I'm going to swap over to the roller styler. My roller styler, fairly standard. Same again on the, as if, you know, with the hairdryer, I don't put it on full whack or else it just gets too hot and fries everything. So it's only on medium setting. So when I use the roller styler, it's all about lifting up the layers and not just doing big blocks. And yeah, you'll see. See, it's coming along, still plenty to do. I'm not going to do that side on camera because it's just duplicating, but the back is the main issue because you can't see a lot of it when you're doing it yourself. At this point, I'm going to put some hair raising powder. Just massage that in a little bit. There we go. Done. Time to wow. It's at this point now I'm going to put my fringe in. If I don't separate and lift the fringe, it's going to be flat as a pancake and over my eyes, so not good. As you can see, I'm already having a bit of a fight. So this time, not in your face. There we go. So, just going to use the roller styler again off camera just to tidy up the edges. But that's as good as I'm going to get it. Like I said, I'm not a professional hairdresser, it's just what I do if I'm basically forced to do it myself. But it's perfectly adequate for, you know, going out, night out, so not overly worried, but it's nice. Do miss the big hair though. So you have a glorious and glamorous weekend, and I'll see you soon.